Hello, welcome to Juniper Level Botanic Garden, the home of Delights Nursery. I'm Doug Roran, and I really don't need to say a thing. This is one plant of a wild species of Chinese tree peony. I am standing full height. I am not down on my knees, and so it's almost 5 feet tall. And we should count the flowers. I can't count that high. But this is the wild peony species, Paeonia ostii. Now, it was named for Dr. Ostii, an Italian peony specialist. So this Chinese species was named after an Italian, but that's the way things go. It is almost the end of March, and this is when we expect it to bloom. It's actually had buds during our last cold spell, and they weren't destroyed by the cold, and now they are absolutely gloriously in bloom. And it has a wonderful peony fragrance. Yesterday I noticed it when I was walking down the path to this plant. And I was still about 20 feet away, and the fragrance is just delightful. And as you can see, it is highly favored by honeybees. This would have been a plant they knew when they were still home in the old world. And you know, in one flower you might see 6 or more honeybees. In China, it's grown for the tuberous roots that are used medicinally, but I can't imagine any ailment that was worth forsaking the flowers, because this is just one of the most glorious things in the whole 12 months of a garden. Though this location is not in sun late on a late March afternoon, it is full sun nearly the whole day. It is growing in a mounded up bed and light soil, but it doesn't need really a special soil, just one that is not soggy. And it probably wouldn't be happy in an overly dry spot, but it can get through without any summer irrigation unless we go for a long period without any rainfall. A good time to plant it is when you have the plant acquired and you have the time to plant it. If the plant was coming out of a heated or protected house, and it was earlier than late March and was in very soft growth, I would hold it until maybe early April in this area. Our last frost date used to be mid-April. Now it's more like early April in zone 8A in Raleigh, North Carolina. We generally have it for sale. We don't currently have it for sale. We do have it in production. We had a really good seed crop last year. Being a species, it is very fertile, and since it's a species that comes true from seed, unlike you know, one of the hybrid peonies that would have like a litter of mongrel puppies if you grew it out from seed. So look for it in years to come, and by every means make a place for it in your garden. It's not necessarily in bloom forever, but garden is made of countless number of perfect moments. And I have probably blabbered enough about this plant, so I will say thank you for your time today, and I hope to see you again in the garden.